Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back. Captain here with another history video of the Google Pixel smartphone. I make iPhone and OnePlus smartphone history video. You can check out on my channel of this video. There is a lot of people who love the Pixel phone. So this video is for you who love Pixel phone and really want to know about all Pixel smartphones, in which year the first Pixel phone launched. And guys, if you thought this is the informative video, please like the video and subscribe my channel because this video take a lot of time to I make. So appreciate my work with your like and subscribe. Hope you enjoy this video. So let's start the evolution video and see the Pixel phone history. So guys, as you can see the full history about the Pixel phone. The first Pixel phone is launched in 2016 and it's a 5.0 inch and it's only a 32 and 128 gigabytes. The last one is launched the Google Pixel 4 and the 4 XL, which is really great phone. In the camera section it has a 12.2 megapixel and a 16 megapixel rear camera and has a first time the Face ID and Snapdragon 855 with the Android 10 and 6.3 inch display. So it's a really great phone, the Google Pixel 4 XL. Check out the Google Pixel 4 XL comparison videos on my channel. So hope you like this video. If you like it, thumbs up and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.